So I went to the doctor like I was supposed to on Wednesday, and he just acted like, nothing was wrong, everything was fine. He just took a look at it and said, "Oh man, it looks a whole lot better now than it did the first time I saw you." So the first time he saw me, I was in the hospital. Yeah, and it was all swollen up, about big around as my, about as big as my belly. But when I went to go for the follow-up visit at his office, swelling was gone, and I had full motion and all that. He said for me to go do some physical therapy, which I didn't do. Probably a good thing. And shortly after that office visit, the follow-up visit from the hospital, he it swelled up again, and I had to come back home, and I was out camping with Alan, and I think we were in the mountain at that point. First I need to apologize. I'm a little bit out of sorts today. It's been pretty hot, and then I had some issues with the air conditioner, and finally got it going and all that, so not in the best spirit. The mind isn't working really quick at the moment. So anyway, so when I went to go see him, he just acted like, like, "What are you doing here? There's nothing wrong," and he did say that, maybe eventually, when I can't take it anymore, then I could come back to see him, and they'll talk about doing some surgery on it. So I just laughed. I tried to explain to him that my primary care doctor said that he didn't think it was arthritis that needed to, he looked at him like it was something else, and that he sent me back to the bone doctor. I can't remember what to call those guys. This guy is a quack, I'm sure, but that's a different story. But anyway, he just acted like, he got all, what's the word, indignant, that somebody else was telling him that maybe he was wrong besides me. So he just said for me to go back to my own doctor, and that he should be checking me for rheumatoid arthritis. Obviously there's nothing like that going on. So anyway, I just kind of left his office, confused. But the good news is it doesn't bother me so bad. One thing I have discovered, though, I'm not sure if it's if there's any correlation between what I'm about to tell you or not, but as long as I take my water pills, if I start noticing it's swelling a little and the skin's getting a little tight or something, I'll take the water pills like I'm supposed to on an as-needed basis. And in about 3 days, the swelling starts going down, and it feels a whole lot better. Right now, I have very, very little pain and 99% full motion. So anyway, I'm going to go back Monday, get clearance from my PC, and I'm sure that he's just going to laugh. And as soon as I say, well, he wants, the other guy wants you to check me for RA. So anyway, I'll do that on Monday. Tuesday, I have a final with my cardiologist just to follow up after the stress test. I should be free as a bird, and I got to tell you, I am really tired of making videos about my knee. I mean, it's starting to get. Well, I can imagine how you guys feel about it. Yeah, what, another one about his knee? So, I've been watching the weather. It's been still pretty warm up there. There has been some suggestions about air conditioning and that. So, I'm kind of looking into doing something like that. I did get the air conditioning in the cab fixed, though. So that's a good thing. I can put Lilly in a cage in the front seat, and we can go traveling around that way. And I think the last time I was up there, I was not very prepared for hot weather. I mean, there was, you know, big high heat warnings and all that stuff. And you remember last year, I mean, they were even grounding some airplanes in Phoenix because of the heat and thin air. So this year is not that bad. And then in another 3 weeks, it's going to start raining up there. So that's a good thing. Or at least cloudy days, partly cloudy all day. They usually start coming in the afternoon, and that's when it's the hottest, is in the afternoon. So, you know, hopefully that's a good thing. We'll just wait another week or two, and or I might just, you know, get a wild hair and take off about the 3rd. Payday's the 3rd, so, you know, I might be doing that. I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to get this video up because I did promise everybody that I would do the, you know, report as to what the doctor said. So there you have it. I did that. I feel good. I feel great. I'm ready to go. I am really ready to go. I've been sitting here too long. I got cabin fever. Well, motorhome fever. I need to get out of it. So I can go get in a smaller camper. Yeah, you got it. So I'm just kind of sitting here enjoying my coffee. I was going to call this afternoon coffee chat without a fire. But there's a fire outside because it's so hot. But no, that's just weird. So, anyway, I wanted to, at the end of the video, I wanted to make a comment about the live stream. Al and I had a really good time. We want to keep doing it on Monday. We had, I think it was, at one point we had 22 viewers, which was not too bad for, you know, just being out there the first time on anything, you know, extended type. We've had a couple of viewers look at some of the older ones where, you know, we couldn't stay online for more than a minute or two, so, without issues. So we got those issues worked out pretty well, I believe. So, you know, we're going to do another one on Monday. We're going to keep doing them on Mondays at about 5 o'clock Pacific time. So, I hope to see you there again. If there's something you guys want to talk about, write that down. Ask us, you know, questions when you get there. And all that. So, yeah. I think that's about it. I'll talk to you in a little while. Bye.